Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Honor Magic 4 Ultimate. Honor has already introduced the Magic 4 series, which it debuted at MWC 2022 in Barcelona last month. The Magic 4 Ultimate, which has 5 rear-facing cameras grouped in a large camera enclosure, has recently been added to the series. Honor also equips the Magic 4 Ultimate with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, emphasizing the device's flagship status. A 6.81-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 2848 x 1312 pixels is featured on the Magic 4 Ultimate. The smartphone, as expected, has a 120Hz refresh rate and is equipped with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Meanwhile, the Magic 4 Ultimate is powered by a 4600 mAh battery that can recharge at up to 100W or 50W when using a wireless charger. Honor Magic 4 Ultimate has a 12MP front-facing camera and a 2F sensor on the back. Honor Magic 4 Ultimate has a second front-facing camera that can recognize faces in 3 dimensions. Honor Magic 4 Ultimate has included 64MP telephoto and ultra-wide-angle sensors, as well as a 50MP spectrum camera in the Magic 4 Ultimate. The Magic 4 Ultimate's primary camera is a 50-megapixel camera with a 1.12-inch optical format. In DxOMark's camera testing, Honor's Magic 4 Ultimate got 146 points, placing it above of the Huawei P50 Pro, Mi11 Ultra, and Mate 40 Pro Plus. Although it is uncertain whether Honor would release the Magic 4 Ultimate globally, it will be available in China for 7,999 Chinese yuan, $1,259. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.